Hi, this is Billy Tarasio. It is Monday, post-workshop. And Caitlin and Chad and I are a little bit exhausted, but it went surprisingly well for our first workshop. It went really, really great. We had, there were a total of 12 of us, 9 participants and 3 facilitators. And everyone learned about the various techniques involved with human connection, how humans make decisions on subconscious levels, things that we can be doing in our consultations. And it really reset the attorney's understanding of the role during consultations. And how one attorney came in and he said, the thing that I hate most about consultations is that I have to solve everyone's whole life in an hour. And he really felt like it was his responsibility to provide enough information and enough overview of the family law process to solve this person's life and give them a solution moving forward. By the end of the workshop, he and everyone agreed that that's just not what we do during initial consultations. And the workshop was especially powerful because one of our participants, Erin Levine, has Hello Divorce, which is very similar to Access Legal. So we have non-attorneys that provide, paralegal assisted or document preparer assisted divorces. So we worked with non-attorney consultations. And then another firm that we work with sent a participant who is a law clerk, graduated law school, but not yet an attorney. So we got to work through attorney consultations, non-attorney consultations, and they don't look all that different. Everyone got to practice, which was really fantastic. And we watched firms become closer together, more aligned in culture, more aligned in their values, really take a great reset and then enjoy kind of the Arizona summer and winter. They also worked on processes within their law firm that they can do differently within the consultation process, which is something that they didn't necessarily think that they would do in advance. We also worked through creating props and creating a step-by-step system for telling clients, here's how we're going to handle your case moving forward. Here's what's going to be customized, and here's what's broad enough to work for every single one of you and to help attorneys improve their numbers. You would be shocked to know what the average conversion rate is for lawyers. It's very low. It's very low. It's under 20 when you calculate it with just data. And I'm saying that based on a lot of different firms and the data that we look at. And what we're looking at is how many people meet with you and how many people hire you. And it's usually under 20%. Moving that number makes a massive, massive difference. And changing your techniques slightly makes a massive, massive difference. So all in all, it was a great success. I'm sure we'll do it again, although not anytime too soon because we were exhausted. The house was great. The Airbnb was a perfect way to do it as opposed to renting out conference space or doing it in an office. It was comfortable and relaxed, and it was just a great time. We are really lucky to work with such amazing people, attorneys and non-attorneys, even though I know lots of people hate the term non-attorneys, but legal professionals. We're working with all sorts of amazing legal professionals, and it was just a great time. So I'm sure there will be more to come as we plan the next workshop, but hopefully it's not too soon.